Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you something. When you speak English, do you feel like you need to talk fast just to sound fluent? Yeah, most people think that. But today, I'm going to show you something different. Silence can make you sound more powerful. A lot of English learners try to do this. They speak quickly, they fill every second, they avoid silence, because silence feels uncomfortable. But here's the truth. Speaking too fast makes you sound nervous. No pauses make you sound unsure, even if your grammar is perfect. So, what is a pause? A pause is simply a short moment of silence. But it does three powerful things. It gives you time to think, it makes your message clearer, and it makes you sound confident. And the best part? Native speakers use pauses all the time. Let me show you the difference. Without pause. I think this is a good idea and we should do it now. Too fast. Hard to follow. Now listen to this. I think this is a good idea and we should do it now. Same sentence, but now clear, calm, confident. That's the power of pausing. So, where should you pause? Here are three easy places. 1. After key ideas. I believe this is the best option. Pause after believe. It gives your words weight. 2. Before important points. There's one thing we need to focus on. Timing. That pause builds attention. And 3. When you're thinking. Instead of saying, just pause. Silence is better than filler words. Imagine you're in a meeting. Your boss asks, "What do you think?" If you answer fast, "I think it's good and we can go with it." You sound nervous. But if you pause, "I think this is a good direction." Now you sound calm, professional, in control. Here's how you can practice today. Speak slower than normal, add small pauses after each idea, and record yourself and listen. At first, it might feel strange, but trust me, pausing is not weakness. Pausing is control. You don't need to rush. You don't need to fill every second. Sometimes saying less, but saying it clearly, is much more powerful. So, next time you speak English, don't be afraid of silence. Use it. Control it. Because remember, silence makes you sound powerful. If this helped you, follow for more real English speaking tips. And I'll see you in the next one.